Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, last day for me in Panglao Island. I decided to go night walk in the Alona beach. Takes 4 hours to make it. It's very detailed, man. Sand and water, it's really good, man. Seriously good.
How does it last?
All settled down. See that? So it's all live action. What is the one way, man? What's going on over here? Very happy hour. Look at that ship. Alona Beach Resort. It's a big one. Haven't operated yet. I don't know, some reason they closed it. Some reason they closed it. Really? This is the place you left him, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's very down. Yeah. Seriously down, man, this one. Hi.
Like crazy that.
Yeah. Oh,
Have you tried a lot?
no, man. Sorry, man. I heard everything. I cannot.
You have to try that.
No, man.
Come on. Your last day.
I heard a lot of things, man, but not this one.
Come on.
I can jump from in the hill. I cannot try the balut, man. That's the deal. I'm not ready. Seriously, I'm not ready, man.
I'm so scared. That's it. Stop it. You didn't came to Philippines and you didn't try a lot.
I'm going to stay here, man. I want to be stay here. So,
Oh yes.
so I'm not leaving anywhere.
Yeah. Well, but to be okay. To be a official citizen, you need to, you need to try a lot.
That official citizen, another year to wait.
Okay.
These are happening too much, man.
Many restaurants.
Yeah.
Plus another one.
Look at that. Nice. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Wow, this is massive, man. Very massive.
That's a resort.
Yeah, that's the result. Hi, how are you?
Any plans tomorrow, sir?
So what is it?
We have island hop.
Hi, how are you?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.